Masensog gabi mga kasensog. Welcome back sa itong first ever Mayor sa Mikasensog Barangay Cup karon. Welcome na sab ko mga mutanaw mo cheer sa itong 5th game which will be played by Barangay Dao rank 9 and Barangay Banale rank 12. Ug mao ni mga kasensog no. Grabe ka-intense ang dula sa atong 4th game nga gidula sa Barangay Lala versus Barangay Murikay. Kung nakakita mo sa ilang game, grabe gyud ka crucial. Pero ang Barangay Murikay, bisag napildi sila ganina, mo balik man sab sila ugma kay twice to beat man sila. Pero karon mo dili na punta mag-focus sa Barangay Dao ug sa Barangay Banale. But before that mga kaset, so before natusugdan ang atong dula, atuwa usa nga mahinabi ang usa ka banggitang player sa Barangay Dao. Sir, may gabi kanimo sir.
Gabi sir.
Sir, sa inyong dula between Barangay Banale, unsa man mo ka-prepared, unsa man ang inyong gipangandaman na pud karon nga skills nga ipakita para inyong pildihon or inyong daugon ang karon nga game ninyo between Barangay Banale.
May gabi sa tanan din. Salamat ko ni Mio Samiko sa iyang pagdula ning games. Og salamat pa ko ni Tipila og iyang mga sakop. Og among pangandaman ang kuan ang tigbabaw lang among teamwork. Dayon kuan lang dula lang dayon ampon ako nga walay ma-injured o both team. Pakita lang namo kung mang base namo mudaog mi ihatag sa Ginoo. Mura. Salamat.
Well, sir, wishing you a good luck, sir, no? Og sa tibuok team Barangay Dao. Magkaset sa ilang mughawa. Kaya tuwa po usab nga mahinabi ang usa ka banggitang player sa Barangay Banale. So stay tuned lang yun mo. And yes, mga kasat, so we're back. Kung karon kauban ako si Sir Lee, ang usa ka banggitang player sa Barangay Banale. Sir, may gabi kanimo sir.
May gabi po, ma'am.
Sir, nakita man nato ang dula no ninyo atong gahapon og dula pod sa Dao. Karon sir, kamo na mangyong duha ang atubangay sa inyong dula karon. Unsa man mo ka prepared ug unsa man ang inyong gipangandaman yung mga strategies para inyuhang ipakita karon og inyuhang daugon ang karon nga game between Barangay Dao.
Kuan lang ma'am, kanang practice dayon, teamwork lang dayon, salig sa kada kauban. Og mao ra to yatag gyud ang mga base pod nga modaog pod ma'am. Sa moang barangay. Salamat.
Well sir, wishing you a good luck no sa tibok team Barangay Banale. So mga kasenso no, kung ready na mo nga mutanaw, mo cheer, mo syagit sa ato ang game karon, ayaw ka makalimot nga mo like, mo follow, mo share sa atong social media accounts, Ascenso Sport Channel ug sa atong YouTube account, Ascenso Sport Channel Official. Ug usab ka mo kalimot nga personal nga mo bisita diri sa atong Pagadan City Gym para personal ka mo nga makatanaw ug maka-cheer sa ato ang mga game. Ug thank you sab no kay Mayor Samiko nga nagpahimugna ani nga game nga first ever Ascenso Barangay Cup inubanan sa kay Attorney Boy Baliling Fernandez ug sa mga councilor diri sa Pagadian. Mayong gabi, I'm Ivy Marchan Carpentero, padayon pag-Asenso, Pagadian.
Sound check, sound check. Goods. Agoy, goods. Good luck. Live once again mga ka-Asenso, diri sa Asenso Covered Court. It's our first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup between Barangay Dao and Barangay Banale. Round 2 sa play-in period. Charger. Winner of this game will advance on the third round sa ato ang play-in. First blood goes to Barangay Dao by Albert Magaluwid. Batan, outside pass. Bangs it in for the three-pointer by Kilat. Paniya si George B. Walay Barker. Say. George ba? George, walay Barker. Gilyar, fakes, drives, inside feed, Balukan is fouled. Barker. Bathan. Now to Andy. Hustled. Stolen by Balukan. Nice pass to Gilyar. Mintes. Lapay almost gets that rebound, but Lapay is there. Balukan is called for a traveling violation. Shout out Renajin to Astomban. Yerlay Declaro, shout out kang Marilu Lastimado Macapaar and Mario Haculbe. Alzaina Esparagera. Yun. Shout out na si George kang kuan. Renajin. Balukan double cross. Lapay, inside pass intercepted. Balukan recovers it. Can't get it to go. Caritan, basket and a foul for Caritan.
Foul jersey number 16.
Oh, naka-live naman lagi ta sa Asenso Sports Channel. No, Asenso Sports Channel man eh. Okay na Facebook page. Six to 3. Bathan scores it. Palwa stole the ball. Kilat. Round 2 mga ka-Asenso sa ato ang play-in knockout system. Winner takes all gihapon ta. Ang mudaog ani will advance to the third round of the play-in. Lapay and missed. Rajuhe dito. Rajuhe dito. Andy. Balukan stole the ball. 2 against 1. Balukan all the way. Mintes. Palwa with the rebound. Now to Kilat. Andy for 3. Too strong. Caritan gets that rebound. Balukan. Magaluwid. Nice cut. Up and under Magaluwid. Mintes. Rebounded by Lee. Now to Kilat. 1 against 2. Kilat with a lefty and it's good. One-point lead Barangay Banale. Caritan umararo sa ilalim. Kaya daw? But Batan with a three-pointer. Timeout called, Barangay Dao. Batan with a quick release three. Friends. Nahurot akong tingog sa Barangay Murikay ug Barangay Lala. Ramirez. Force shot sa ilalim, Mintes. Andy, spin move, falls away, and he is fouled.
Jersey number 4, Esparagera. Personal foul. 2 shots for jersey number 16, Andy.
And Andy scores for Barangay Banale. Magaluwid missing that layup. Batan. Feeding. Kilat. Now to Andy. Andy outside Palwa. 4-second shot clock. Batan quick three. Too strong. Palwa with the rebound. Turn around. Fades away. Mintes. Tapi ka ng bola. Another rebound for Palwa. Andy for three. Mintes pa rin. And there's a foul called by the referee. Bola mapupunta sa Barangay Dao.
Foul jersey number 21, Magaluwid.
Di pa ko kabasa og mga comments. Kay lobat akong cellphone. Nalobat akong cellphone sa live kaganina. So di pa ko kabasa og comment. Pasensya yun kayo. Kilat bangs it in again for Kilat. Second three-pointer ni Kilat of this game. 8-15 lamang ang Barangay Banale.
Big ball violation.
Supal-pal para sa Barangay Banale. Andy with a fast break layup. Ornilio. 17-8. Traveling violation called against Esparagera. Pedro Esparagera. Taga, ahangin siya, Purok Subida. Purok Bahada. Subida kung padulong ka dito, Bahada kung pauli ka paubos. Usap-usap, mura na purok sa barangay barangay Dao nga, mausap-usap. Depende og asa ka paingon. Batan to Kilat, wing 3. Short, Lapay, hustle, rebound. Lapay stops and fires from downtown, way off the mark for Lapay. Kilat. Another three. Another miss. Lee with a rebound. Outside, number 11. Batan bangs it in from downtown. Subida lagi kung patungas. Bahada. Bahada kung paubos ka. Ornilio. Over Lapay. Turnaround shot is good by Lapay. Missed and out of bounds. Ornilio. Now to Gilyar. Short. Gilyar to Yonson. Yonson is hustled. Batan, another three. Another miss. Recovers. Batan driving. Corner pass to nobody. And there's a foul called.
Foul jersey number 23. Personal foul.
Jimenez hits his first throw. Gilyar with a fake. Stolen. Pass break Yonson. 1 against 3. Yonson, heavy traffic. Traveling violation called against Yonson. Ornilio. Tulapay. Baseline jumper, basket, and a foul. Landing zone.
Foul jersey number 23.
Lapay a chance to make a three-point play.
Bonus throw for jersey number 7. Lapay.
Isa ng 23? Ha? Unabia is called for a foul. Steps on the landing zone of Lapay. Ayun, may foul called against Gilyar.
Foul jersey number 16. Gilyar. Personal foul. 13.
Andy Anquilat babalik sa korte. Last shot, 21 seconds, 13-20, 7-point lead Barangay Banale. Andy fakes. Crosses over against Ornilio, steps back, corner pass. Wing 3, no good. Number 11. And that ends our first quarter. 7-point lead, Barangay Banale.
With the first quarter. This quarter is brought to you by Steve Claudio. It's Switzerland. Idol June on Monday, Tuesday.
Banga man Paul George. Idol June pa. Uyawa mo shout out ni George oy. Ay shout out. Mug Isuseler Idol June ba mundi daw.
Second quarter.
And back to our ball game, second quarter. Agawa ng bola sa baba. Now, Palwa, fast break para kay Andy. Andy with the left hand.
Official timeout.
Officials timeout mga ka-Asenso. Basket will count. Officials timeout for a technical problem.
All jersey number 5, Palwa. First personal foul.
Back to our ball game from that official's timeout. Alay kuan gamay sa kuan sa tawag ani. Dipikto gamay no sa ato ang time. But everything is fine now, so let's go back to enjoy our game. Andy hitting a three-pointer for Barangay Banale. Inside pass, Karitan sa ilalim. Batan. Another three and another miss. Tapikan ang bola. Gilyar with the ball. Pass break para kay Andy. Behind the back. Good feed. Nabitawan ni Unabia. Karitan to Gilyar. 2 against 1. Gilyar to Lapay. Yes, sir! Batan. 18-25. Batan over number 12. Andy balik kay number 12. Umatake. Feeding Unabia sa ilalim. Another turnover for Unabia. Buti na lang andyan si Batan to recover the ball. Lays it up and it's good. Nagkakalat si Unabia ngayon sa opensa nila. Magaluwid. Driving towards the basket. Missing that layup. Tapikan, supalpal. Bounce pass, Johnson. And finally, Unabia nakabawi sa kanyang mga pagkakamali. Unabia scores for Barangay Banale, forcing Dao to get a timeout. Back to our ball game from that timeout. Balukan over Lapay. Wide open three. Banks it in from downtown. Eight-point lead, Barangay Banale. Kilat over Yonson. Babawi ng tres. Mintes. Lapay wins that rebound. Fast break to Balukan. And Balukan scores. 6 points na lang ang lamang. Kilat, driving, passing, fakes, and there's a foul called. Out, trouble di ba maklaro dari god. Lubat ah. Lubat imong mic. Lubat imong mic. Bala ka. Magaluid. Long three-pointer, Mintes. Palwa, what a flight there by Palwa for the rebound. Andy, hesitation, Andy hangs in the air, and what a shot by Andy! Despite having a defender on his face. Huh? Take off Andy. Oh, wow. What a nickname, Take off Andy. Murag si Kuan, murag si Tano, no? Tano, Air Tano. Oo, wala siya, Air Tano. Pero, lubong yun ang puluyagan ganina. Grabe ang Bulawan, kabalansi sa team, oy. Lapay, lays it up from the tussle. Balansi kayo ang Bulawan. Wala ganina sila big man. Pero, ay, lubong mga yun. Puluya, ha? Sila, dili ka na dako, eh. Andy, long three-pointer missed. Jimenez with the rebound. Stolen by Yonson. Sidestep. Bumanga. Offensive foul call against Yonson. Batan will check in. Timeout call. Barangay Banale. 6-point lead. Hospital. Buang si Patrick, oh. (25-31), 4 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Batan, di makalusot. Bounce pass outside. There's a push.
Jersey number 21. Second personal foul.
Kilat to Palwa. Palwa scores from the mid-range. Naaman day diri ang duha ka mid-range assassin, Palwa og Lapay. Balukan outside Lapay, another mid-range missed. Palwa with a rebound. Kilat and misses that pass. Kala niya mapupunta sa kanyang teammate. Bagsak si Andy, tsaka si Jimenez. Who was that, Jimenez? Ah, Magaluwid.
Jersey number 16, Andy. Second personal foul.
Stolen by Palwa. Pass break to Andy. Andy. Easy to
Andy.
Lapay. Now to Balukan. Nakalusot. Balukan double clutch.
Balukan.
Andy fakes, drives, hangs, miss. Palwa falls away. Another mid-range shot by Palwa. Lapay naman ngayon. Gustong bumawi. Lapay all the way. Batan fires from downtown. Bangs it in. Mga classmate na ko. Classmate ako sa PCSC. Lapay. Balukan. Open three. In and out. Kilat with the ball. Hustled by Jimenez. Kilat to Batan. Lays it up. And it's good. Now to Magaluwid. Making a play. Guarded by Batan. Hustle. Karitan with the ball. Inside pass. Lapay. Pulls up jumper. Batan. Another three for Batan. Back-to-back three-pointer for Batan from the same spot para sa Barangay Banale. Jimenez to Balukan. Hesitation. Outside pass. Lapay. Fakes. Drives to Magaluwid. Up and under. Magaluwid. What a hang time there. 1 second and that ends our first half. 33-45 lamang ang Barangay Banale.
Steve Castro, fighting Rivera Stan.
Cellphone ako dali. third quarter. Bathan, heavily guarded by Balukan. Now to Palwa. Nabakante. Kilat, driving. Di makalusot. Turn around, falls away. Can't get it to go. Lapay, guarded by Andy. Stolen by Kilat. Behind the back. Iwan si Lapay. Falls away. Bangs it in! Kilat with an impressive play from defense to offense. Gilyarto Magaluid. Corner Balukan. Traveling violation called against Balukan. (33-47). Radyohe ba? Radyohe. Bathan driving. Off the glass. Mintes. Now to Lapay. Nice cut by Balukan. Comes up short for that layup. Kinapos pa talaga. Ang ganda na sana ng cut. Andy. Bathan to Kilat. Driving. Bounce pass inside. Stolen by Magaluid. Now to Gilyar. Bounce pass. Lapay is there. Ganda na mga pasa sa ilalim ng Barangay Dao. Di pa rin makahabol. 35-47. Palwa to Lee. Andy. Nabakante. Driving. Lays it up. Oh, Mintes. Palwa. Another miss. Falls away. Comes up short for that fadeaway jumper. Now to Gilyar. Gilyar umatake in the lane. Inside pass. Balik sa labas. Balik kay Gilyar. And a backcourt violation call against Barangay Dao. Esparraguera will check in for Barangay Dao. Bathan over Andy. 12 puntos ang lamang ng Barangay Banale. Andy driving. Lays it up. Ooh! Scoop shot reversed by Andy. Grabe ang traffic na yon. Nakalusot pa talaga ang layup. Balik kay Esparraguera. Gilyar inside. Kariit. Magaluid. Lapay. Mid-range. Mintes. Gilyar. What a nice fake. And one for Gilyar. Good decision there by Gilyar. Faking the ball and getting a foul. He will have a chance to complete a three-point play.
First team foul. Barangay Banale. Bonus throw for jersey number 66, Gilyar.
Andy. Hesi. Andy. Hanging. Miss. Lapay to Esparraguera. Balik kay Lapay. Over the head pass. Esparraguera. Tumira ng tres. In and out. Pag minamalas ka nga naman talaga, oh. Andy, bounce pass to Bathan. Over Esparraguera. Mintes. Esparraguera bumagsak. Tumama sa baba. Kariit. Heavy traffic. Kariit is fouled again. Bagsak na naman si Kariit. Tumama sa muka.
Number 5. Malwa. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Isa na namang magandang display of sportsmanship between these two teams. Medyo nagkakasakitan, sinadya man o hindi, pero I think hindi naman yun sinasadya eh. But the sportsmanship, grabe ang sportsmanship ng dalawang team na to. Ito dapat ang mga team na iniidolo eh. Mga bugnaw ulo ba? Dili bugnaw simod. Bugnaw ulo. Kariit nails his second throw. Kilat. Now to Bathan. Umatake. No look pass. Sa sobrang no look pass, wala talagang nakakita. (38-49), 11-point lead. 11 ba? Yeah, 11. Minus yung kugmat, oy. Eita. Gilyar, inside pass, Kariit, fakes! Basket na foul for Kariit! Maayo yung sportsmanship ni Kariit, oh. Mana yung mga sundo ninyo ng mga player, mga bugnog ulo. Di kay nasakitan lang, munuklo dayon. Ang hagit na sumbagay. Lee flying for that rebound. Kilat. Driving. Sidestep. Nakalusot. Mintes. Kariit with the rebound. Now to Gilyar. Magaluwid. Over Lee, and Magaluwid scores. Baliksap ito ang lamang ng Barangay Banale. Bathan with an 8-second violation. Timeout called by Barangay Banale as they only lead by 7 points. Hustle offense there. Kusogra. Bathan over Andy. Behind the back. Making a play. Andy with the ball. Screen by Barcoma. Yonson, corner 3, short. Esparraguera with the rebound. Now to Lapay. Lapay balik kay Esparraguera. Inside, stolen by Yonson. Now to Bathan. Andy, dribbling, speeding, taking off. Mintes ang layup. Yonson steps back for 3. Missed. Andy gets the rebound. 10-second shot clock. 5 seconds. Andy fires from downtown. Mintes. Tinapik ni Magaluwid. Batan inside. Barco masupalpal. Out of bounds. Apir pandua. Silingan naman kuning dao og banali. Migoro po kayo ni ba? Andy. Stolen by Esparraguera. No look pass. Lapay. Ganda na no look pass ni Esparraguera. Yonson, ball strip and is fouled.
Foul jersey number 16, Gillian. Second personal foul.
Foul called against Giliar.
Foul jersey number 16, Gillian.
Uy, 5 puntos na lang ang lamang ng Barangay Banale. 44-49. Bagsak na naman si Esparraguera. Offensive foul called against Andy. Magaluwid, umatake, may foul, and a basket for Magaluwid.
Foul jersey number 12, Yunson. Second personal foul. That's good.
Unabia to Andy with a cut. Mintes ang dribble. Mintes ang dribble. Saan naman yun? Andy. Yonson. Palwa, pull-up jumper, Mintes. Lapay with a rebound. Nagmamadali si Lapay. Short. Andy. Slow-mo. Buti na lang pumasok. 4-point lead Barangay Banale. Esparraguera. Kariit. Spin move. Fake spar. Supalpal ni Unabia. Esparraguera with a steal and a steal by Unabia. Pass break to Andy. Taking off. Oh, pass to Palwa. Foul call against Bathan.
Jersey number 9, second personal foul. Substitution.
Yatir. Yonson to Bathan.
Shot clock ends.
Crossover against Lapay. Ball stripped from his hands. Yonson for 3. Bang! Yonson hits a wing 3 for Barangay Banale.
Seconds to play for the third quarter.
Esparraguera to Magaluwid. Umatake, Magaluwid. Another miss. Jimenez, supalpal. Passing it to Bathan. Over Yonson. Yonson, balik kay Bathan. Balik kay Yonson sa labas. Corner 3. Mintes, Palwa with the rebound. Pull-up jumper. Palwa. Nothing but the net by Palwa.
5.
Force shot by Kariit. That ends our third quarter, 49-58. Lamang pa rin ang Barangay Banale.
This quarter is goes to Yupan. Steve Castro, Doctor Cristina, Vicky Fernandez.
Ang lula ang ba sa hapon, ba? Sa gabi. Wala. Sa man. Wala lagi. Quarter finals na? Wala po. Diba, round 3 ba? Round 3 katong mga waiting.
Fourth and final quarter.
Gilyar to Lapay. Ngayon may foul.
Foul jersey number 23, Octavia. Third personal foul.
Lapay heavily guarded. Passing it to Caritan. Umatake, 10-second shot clock. Caritan in the middle. Yonson spin move. Nabitawan ang bola. Stripped from his hands by Balukan. Now Magaluwid. Hangs in the air. And one for Magaluwid. Grabe. Palwa fearlessly defending the basket.
Foul. Fourth personal foul. Photo strong for jersey number 21, Michael Louis. Substitution.
Balukan and scores.
Balukan. Foul jersey number 7, Lee. First personal foul.
56-58. Duha na lang yung labaw sa Banale. Winner takes all for tonight. The winner will advance to the third round. Winner takes all. Advance sila sa kuan. Third round. And Caritan ties the game at 58. Andy takes off. Mintes. Palwa flying rebound. Rebounded now by Balukan. Lays it up and he is fouled. Tinabangay na, no? Lami apon nani mong kadula, no? Kay tabangan ka ritso ba? Balukan will be on the line to take free throws. And sportsmanlike foul is called against Bathan. He will sit for 2 minutes.
Two free throws for jersey number 17, Balukan.
2 minutong mauupo si Bathan. Sayang. He's an effective offensive player for Barangay Banale. Balukan missed that first throw. Balukan hits it. Leads the game by 1 point. Balukan inside. Giliar to Jimenez. Kinapos ang easy shot. Kilat with the ball. Driving. Kilat with the left hand and it's good. Giliar. Carry it. Oh, intercepted by Palwa. Recovered by Giliar. Fakes. Magaluwid hangs. No foul is called. Caritan. Basket. And a foul for Caritan.
Foul jersey number 5, Palma. 5 fouls.
Palma committing his kapilang a foul. Committing his 5th foul and will sit on the bench as he's fouled out of the game.
Bonus throw for jersey number 14, Caritan.
Caritan on the line. And it's good. 2-point lead Barangay Dao. Kilat. Hesi. Pull-up jumper. Mintes. Rebounded by Yonson. Kilat to Andy. Andy against Balukan. Crossover. And a foul called against Balukan.
Foul jersey number 17, Balukan.
Six minutes. Balik to 6 minutes. Andy against Balukan ulit. Masyadong malapit si Andy kanina kaya nahuli ni Balukan. Andy almost lost it. Behind the back. Hesitation. Takes it off and it's good by Andy. Bitaw ko. Gayip kag ulo. Andy ties the game at 62. Will have a chance to take the lead. Andy and leads the game with 1 point. Hits that free throw. Giliar. Caritan balik kay Giliar. Caritan umatake. No foul called. Yonson with the rebound. Fast break. Hinahabol ni Andy. Another takes off. Hangs in the air. Is blocked by Jimenez. Giliar. To Balukan. What a nice play for Barangay Dao. Leads the game with 1 point, 64-63. Back to our ball game. 6 minutes and 31 seconds left in the fourth quarter. 64-63. And a foul called against Gilyar.
Foul jersey number 16, Gilyar. For personal foul, 13 foul. Barangay Dao.
Andy. Screen by Barcoma. Andy. Long three-pointer. Missed. Magaluwid with the rebound. Hustled. Bagsak na naman si Magaluwid.
Foul jersey number 7, Lee. Second personal foul, penalty.
Penalty situation for Barangay Banale. (65-63). 2-point lead Barangay Dao. Magaluwid. Mintes ang free throw. 2 puntos pa rin ang labang. At hinahabol ng Banale. Andy. Yunson fakes and fires. And Yunson is fouled.
Foul jersey number 16, Gilyar.
And Gilyar committing his 5th foul and is fouled out of the game. Balik na ngayon si Bathan para sa Barangay Banale. Tapos na ang 2 minutong pahinga for that unsportsmanlike foul. Mintes ang unang free throw. Sensya nyo kayo mga kasensor. Iko kabasag comment karon. Kaya lubat ako cellphone. And another miss for Yunson. Pass break to Magaluwid. Magaluwid with that is hustled. Almost stolen. Passes the ball to Balukan. Reverse layup is good by Balukan. 4-point lead Barangay Dao. Bathan. Tumira ng 3. Mintes. Nice box out by Magaluwid. Caritan gets that rebound. Balukan to Lapay. 15 seconds shot clock. 5 minutes game clock. Balukan. And a penalty. Foul call against Lee. Timeout Barangay Dao as they lead by 4 points. Caritan hits the first throw. winner will advance in the next round. Second throw, Karitan. And it's good. 6-point lead, Barangay Dao. Yonson. Kilat. Good screen by Lee. Kilat over Batan. Lumabas pa ang bola. Tapikan. Out of bounds. Ball will remain in Barangay Banale. Pag minamalas ka nga naman talaga, oh. Lumabas yung easy shot. Wala ko sa charger, bay, tang-tang. Charger sa laptop. Tang-tang, bay, tang-tang ah. Oh. Yonson, corner 3. Mintes na naman. Ayun, Karitan is foul. Pang-apat na foul ni Andy. Ing na lang ang referee, ma'am. Ing na ang referee. Karitan. Mintes. Karitan gets the rebound. Mintes ang easy shot. Andy. Hesse bumps, falls away, and it's good. Lee with a sidestep. And another points for Barangay Banale. 2-point lead Barangay Dao. Balukan lays it up and it scores. Batan, balik sa apat ang lamang ng Dao. Kilat, in and out for the 3-pointer. Jimenez is fouled.
Foul jersey number 7, Lee, for personal foul.
Pang-apat na foul ni Lee. Jimenez. And Mintes. Ang unang free throw. Still a 4-point lead for Barangay Dao. Second throw is good. Andy. Mahaba pa ang oras. We still have 3 minutes. Andy diving for that ball and a jump ball.
Jump ball. Posicionado Barangay Banale.
Limang puntos ang lamang ng Barangay Dao. Andy, balik kay Yonson. Fakes. Fires a corner 3. Short. Karitan with the rebound. Pass break to Balukan. Balukan with another fast break shot. Unti-unting lumalayo ang Barangay Dao. 7-point lead. Kilat, tiningnan pang kalaban. Ayun, supalpal. And a foul is called against Karitan. Out. Lapay di ay. Foul called against Lapay. Kilat, tiningnan pa yung kalaban. Ayan, nasupalpal tuloy. Bathan. Mintes ang pangalawang free throw. Lee falls away, missed. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Barangay Dao. Balukan is hustled by two players of Banale. Balukan, nakita si Carita, nag-iisa. No foul scored. Magaluwid with a follow. Can't get it to go. Kilat with the ball. Now to Bathan. 1 against 3. Bathan to Kilat. And Kilat scores. Timeout called by Barangay Dao with 2 minutes and 13 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. 74-69. Lamang ang Barangay Dao. This timeout is brought to us by LSC Corporation. Ball stolen. Supalpal ni Magaluwid. Magaluwid swatting away that ball in the hands of Bathan. Bathan with an eye steal against Lapay, but Magaluwid is there to defend the rim, swatting away the ball. Andy Hesse drives outside. Bathan open 3, too strong. Andy gets that rebound. Muntikan pang Andy again, missed. Magaluwid with the rebound. Last 2 minutes. Magaluwid stolen by Kilat. Fast break to Andy against Lapay. Andy is fouled.
Number 7, Lapay. Second personal foul.
(74-69). Still a 5-point lead for Barangay Dao with under 2 minutes to play. 1 minute and 30 seconds to be exact. Andy, Balukan, and Magaluwid. What an effective player here tonight. Andy, second throw. And it's good. Tatlo na lang ang lamang. Lapay with the ball. 1 minute and 27 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Lapay to Esparraguera. Balik kay Lapay and it's good! Andy, heavily guarded. Nakalusot. Andy takes off. Esparraguera anticipates that pass. Traveling violation called against Magaluwid. Nice anticipation there by Esparraguera. Alam na alam kung saan talaga ipapasa ni Andy ang bola. Bagsakan ng dalawang players and Magaluwid called for a travel. Andy. Kilat, corner 3. Short. Magaluwid. Ball goes to Barangay Banale as Balukan is called for a foul. May hawak sa jersey si Balukan. Ayun, grabe ang mata ni Maestro JC. Nandot yun nga repere yun si JC, no? Abtek kag mata. Strictor ba kayo? Pero nasa lugar ang ka-stricto ba? Matay ako estudyante ani Maestro JC. Hadlok nyo ko ba? Balik sa 4 ang lamang. Na, kung siya'y na maestro na ako. 3 na lang. Final minute. Under a minute to play. Balukan. Heavily guarded by Andy. Stolen by Batan. Double team. Now to Kilat. Stolen by Magaluwid. Esparraguera scores for that basket. Timeout called Barangay Banale as they extend their lead to 5 for Barangay Dao. Steal after steal for both teams. Pero lumamang sa steal ang Barangay Dao in a person of Magaluwid. Nakita agad si Esparraguera na tumatakbo papunta sa kanilang rim and scores. Extends their lead to 5, 78-73. Again, winner will advance on the 3rd round of the play-in. Loser will go home for this game. .6 seconds left. 78-73. 5-point lead. Barangay Dao. Kilat. Yonson, corner 3. Too strong. Tapi ka ng bola. Lapay wins that rebound and he is fouled by Andy. Andy commits his 5th foul and will sit on the bench. Sayang at na-foul pa talaga. At pag tinamaan ka talaga ng malas, kahit anong tira mo, hindi yan papasok. And this time, Barangay Banale experienced it tonight. Easy shots, missed. Back open shot, missed. So sayang. But then again, in this ball game, there is only one winner until the time consumes it all. No basket for that free throw. 6-point lead, Barangay Dao. Full court press for Barangay Dao. Now to Yonson. Tagbo na yun ni Magaluwid. Third personal foul is called against Magaluwid. Yonson. Ay, pag yun take time. Second throw. Mintes ulit. Bathan. Pumunta sa 3. Hesitation. Kilat. Yonson ulit. And another miss. Esparraguera with the rebound. Lapay, fast break to Balukan. Balukan seals the deal for Barangay Dao. And that ends our regulation. Congratulations to Barangay Dao for advancing the 3rd round of our play-in. Thank you very much, Barangay Banale, for participating in the first Mayor Samico Ascenso Barangay Cup. Dao will advance to the 3rd round. This is your commentator, Gab. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan.
Barangay Travisay at Barangay Napulat.
Andy.
Bateri sa dua kamay, wala na.